Hi guys, I'm James. This is a quick mashup of Teenage Dream and Firework. I hope you all like it. Please like and comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, waiting to start again? Do you know there's still a chance for you? There's a spark in you, just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just close in the night, let the void for July. And baby, you're a firework. Come and show us why you're worth. Make them go on, oh, oh, oh. So you shoot across the stars, and you make me feel like I'm living up teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. So take a chance and don't ever look back, and don't ever look back. My heart stops when you look at me and just one touch. Maybe I'll believe that this is real. So take a chance and don't ever look back, don't ever look back at me. Your heart may bleed through my skin tight. You'll be a teenage dream tonight. I'll let you put your hands on me in my skin tight. You'll be a teenage dream tonight. And baby, you're fine. You come and show us what you're worth. And be there, go on, so shoot across stars. And you make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. So take a chance and don't ever look back, and don't ever look back. My heart stops when you look at me and just one touch. Maybe I believe this is real. So take a chance and don't ever look back, don't ever look back. Cheers guys.